Conquering deadlines and goals in writing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a topic many writers face: overcoming writer's block. Particularly, we will focus on how setting realistic goals and deadlines can make a world of difference in your writing journey. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by writer's block. It's that moment when you find yourself staring at a blank screen, feeling stuck, and unsure about what to write next. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. It happens to the best of us. One way to combat this is by setting clear goals and deadlines for yourself. Setting a goal is like setting a destination for your writing journey. Here's how you can make them realistic. Start small. If you're writing a research paper, don't aim to finish it in one sitting. Start with writing the introduction or just the outline. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I will write today," say, "I will write 500 words on the topic of XYZ today." Stay flexible. It's okay if things don't always go according to plan. Adjust and keep moving forward. Deadlines can be a writer's best friend or worst enemy. Here's how to make them work for you. Make them visible. Write your deadline on a post-it, set it as your desktop background, or use a calendar. Make sure it's somewhere you'll see it often. Break it down. If your deadline is a month away, break it into weekly or even daily tasks. This way, you can track your progress and not feel overwhelmed. Reward yourself. Once you meet a deadline, give yourself a treat. It could be anything: a short break, a snack, or even just a pat on the back. There you have it. Setting realistic goals and smart deadlines is an effective weapon against the dreaded writer's block. Remember, every writer faces obstacles. It's how you approach and overcome them that defines your journey. Here's hoping this video has equipped you with another tool to make your writing process smoother. Until next time, happy writing!